purpose of this video is to show the correct way to connect SPT1 wire to a One-Plug. The same principles apply to SPT2 wire and plugs. I'll be showing how to inline splice with the One-Plug in a separate video. One-Plugs are available from different brands and manufacturers. The models I have are the Gilbert One-Plug and the Minleon One-Plug. Let's take a step back and look at traditional male and female Gilbert plug or vampire plug connections. When male and female plugs are wired correctly and connected together, it appears at a quick glance that there is a change in wiring orientation. As professional installers, we're used to seeing a rib side going into a connection and a smooth side coming out the other side on the same face. The rib side of the wire matches up with the female connection that says ribbed, and the rib side of the wire faces the engraved wording on the male side. If your plugs don't have clear labels, you can examine the wide and narrow blades and slots of your plugs. Note the location of the offset on the copper teeth. At a close look, you'll see that the polarity does not change as it goes through the plug, even though it looks like the wiring changes direction once connected. Now let's go back to the One-Plug. When a One-Plug is assembled correctly, it will appear that the rib side goes in and that the rib side comes out the other side on the same face. Examining the teeth of the plug, you'll see that the copper teeth puncture on the same side of the wire at both ends. This looks different than the traditional male and female plug connections. The Gilbert One-Plug that we carry has a positive and negative orientation marked on the ends of the plug. This is another way to confirm that your wires are oriented correctly. The Minleon One-Plug doesn't have any positive or negative indicators, but its teeth are oriented identically to the Gilbert One-Plug. So regardless of the two brands, both will have the wires oriented the same way. When in doubt, look at the teeth on your brand of One-Plug. This is especially important since several companies that sell One-Plugs have product photos on their sites that appear to show One-Plugs wired incorrectly. If you have any questions about the One-Plug or any other products we sell, give us a call or use our online chat at lightsatwholesale.com.